What's his name? Whiskers. Oh, Whiskers is tickling my fingers with his feet. Oh, isn't he gorgeous? He looks like he's got the markings of a wolf. The Chinese hamster. What's special about it being Chinese? Ooh. He's gorgeous. And I bet if you put him on the floor, he runs down there, doesn't he? But unfortunately, there's a few ball-orientated dogs in the congregation seat, so doesn't he? Is he a bit of a lazy bones? Hello, oh, thank you. Right, and who else have we got here? Leeds. What did you call him, Leeds? He's a rescue dog, isn't he? Hello, Leeds, my baby boy. Hello. Plenty of lovely. Let's see Leeds. Oh, we all know Max, of course, he's asleep in the back. Misty. Hello, darling. Where's your ears gone? Did she? Oh, yeah, lovely girl. Lovely, the stuff still smells nice. Oh, good. And Billy? Hello, darling. Hello, you're pleased to see me, are you? Oh, you could perhaps lick your ears, Ruby. It's a sign of great affection. She's not got much ears left either, it's a bit of a thing with me. Like most designers, I have a thing, obviously. And that is no ears. Hello, Maxie boy. Hello.
He's an old member.
He's an old member. I was looking through the photos this afternoon of the rehearsals of the Easter thing. Oh, yeah. And he's on the rehearsals for Max the Man.
He gets everywhere.
And you've got Angel. What are you, little girl? Hi, little girl. And we've got Bruce there. I know all these dogs. Hello, boy. Hello, where's your ball? Where's your ball? You haven't got it. Bruce is ball mad. Thomasine is one of those. That's Jess's ball. Have you got Dolly? Where's your dog? We got. It happens to a lot of people who come to this church. Get overexcited and then miss their ball. Oh, well, little Florence, are you a pet? I was just thinking, Susie, them little hamsters are no trouble. It's about time she had her first pet. She'd eat it. She might have to eat it. And you probably would. Hello, Jack. Hello, Hello. He's looking lovely. Have I got, gee, you've not got any of your multi-million dogs that are in your family? Couldn't you have borrowed one for an afternoon? You do what? Oh, yes. That dog looks like he's really looking at the hamster in the way he thinks. Dinner? Well, it is a ball, isn't it? Yeah, well, I know. Oh, I miss Lou.